Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.